Hello guys, my name is Intan Putri Bungsu. Here I will mention some famous and interesting places in Indonesia. Our beloved country Indonesia does have a very beautiful nature. From Sabang to Merauke, we can easily find beautiful and stunning places. As native of Indonesia, we should be proud, live in a country surrounded by thousands of islands with unparalleled beauty. It's no wonder that many tourists are willing to come from various countries to enjoy Indonesian tourist attractions that are popular in various countries. Of the many favorite tourist attractions in Indonesia that are often visited, some of them are even famous all over the world. Want to know what it is? Come on, explore the following world famous Indonesian tourist attractions. Popular Indonesian tourist destination in the ends of the world. The first, Besakih Temple. Pura Agung Besakih is the largest and grandest temple in Bali. This island is located in Besakih village, Rendang district, on the southwest slope of Mount Agung. It's the highest mountain in Bali. Pura Agung Besakih has a stunning balanced architectural style and sits a stunning 915 feet at the foot of Mount Agung. The second, Derawan Island. The Derawan Islands are an archipelago location in Berau Regency, East Kalimantan. In this island there are a number of charming marine tourist objects, especially world-class divers. The color of the water is very clear, will also make you feel at home to linger in this area. This natural panorama is the main holiday dish for tourists visiting. Another factor that is the reason why this area is mandatory to visit, namely the underwater ecosystem and the natural beauty of the surrounding are really still very well preserved. Naturally, many tourists will come in love to this place, both local tourists and international tourists. The third, Waikambas National Park. Waikambas National Park in Lampung was designed as the 36th Asian Heritage Park area on July 25. This means that Waikambas National Park is the fourth Asian Heritage Park in Indonesia, located at the southern tip of Sumatra, or 1,010 km from Bandar Lampung. Waikambas National Park is one of the fourth and oldest national parks in Indonesia. This national park occupies 103,000 square kilometers of coastal lowland forest around the Waikambas River on the east coast of Lampung Province. The next, Parai Tenggiri Beach in Bangka Belitung. Surely, some of you have seen the popular film Laskar Pelangi, which is set in Pulang Belitung, right? In addition to the interesting storyline, the location of this film also grabbed the attention of the audience. Unlike other beaches in general, Parai Tenggiri has a sloping beach structure with turquoise green seawater of soft white sand. The waves on this beach are also calm, so that it becomes one of the attraction reasons for tourists who like to swim. Not only swimming, you can also enjoy fishing, parasailing, diving, snorkeling, and many others. The next, Nusa Penida in Bali. The island of Bali, it is undeniable that its name is rampant through the world because of its beautiful scenery, culture that is still thick, and its beaches are exotic. When visit Bali, don't be surprised if there are so many tourists passing by trip. Some even live in Bali, One of the tourist attractions in Bali that is popular in the eyes of the world today is Nusa Penida. This favorite Indonesian tourist spot is the right size who like to do island hopping and enjoy the underwater beauty by snorkeling. With a beautiful beach panorama, Nusa Penida and the surrounding small island offer a different experience and will certainly people who also have a hobby of photography. The next, Bunaken Marine Park in North Sulawesi. The next popular tourist destination in Indonesia is the Bunaken Marine Park in Manado, Bali. Bunaken is one of the tourist attractions in Indonesia that invites admiration because of the beauty of its underwater garden, which is difficult to find in other countries. The next, Wakatobi in Southeast Sulawesi. Still on the island of Sulawesi, Wakatobi National Park is also one of the most popular and worldwide underwater tourist destinations. The next, Raja Ampat Island in West Papua. The next paradise on Earth Indonesia in the Raja Ampat Archipelago, which is a location in West Papua with the most complete marine world on Earth. Raja Ampat, or the Four Rajas, are four beautiful islands that are products of ancient rock painting. The next, Mount Bromo in East Java. If you have ever visited East Java, is incomplete if you have seen found at Mount Bromo, one of the volcanoes that is still active, has this distinctive charm in the form of a very large desert. Although not one of the highest mountains in Indonesia, the beauty of Mount Bromo is second to none and allow visitors to experience fantastic and spectacular views. The next, Komodo Island in Nusa Tenggara Timur. The next famous Indonesia tourist destination in the east of the world is Komodo Island. This island, located in the Nusa Tenggara Island, is home to hundreds of Komodo dragons, endemic animals that only exist in Indonesia. Besides being able to observe the behavior and explore the habitat of these ancient animals, Komodo Island also offers an amazing natural panorama. The next, Borobudur Temple in Central Java. Another global icon of Indonesian cultural tourism is the Borobudur Temple. Every year, not only domestic tourists but also many foreign tourists are interested in observing the beauty of Borobudur Temple. The next, Lake Kalimutu in Nusa Tenggara Timur. Besides Lake Toba, Indonesian world famous lake tourist destination is Lake Kalimutu. This lake is a volcanic lake at the top of Mount Kalimutu. To reach this beautiful lake, toppers must do hiking first. The specialty of the lake, which is the location of the island of Flores, Nusa Tenggara Timur, is the view of the lake with three colors, namely green, white, and blue. Every year, this exotic lake is well crowded by foreign tourists. The next, Ngarai Sianap in West Sumatra. Ngarai Sianap, which is located on the border of Bukit Tinggi City, again Malaysia, West Sumatra is famous for its wild beauty. The gorge that stretches for 15 kilometers with a depth of more than 100 meters from a beautiful natural fault that is second to none. Especially in the middle of the fault flow the Batang Sianap River, which irrigates the green and beautiful valley. The last Ijen crater in East Java. From Banyuwangi, there is the charm of the Ijen crater, which has recently become famous to foreign country. One of the attractions is the blue fire, or the charm of the blue fire that ignites from the crater of Mount Ijen. In the world, the blue fire phenomenon can only be found in two places, namely in Iceland and in Indonesia. How proud to be Indonesian? There are many other places in Indonesia that will make you fall in love with Indonesia. It is our duty to care for and protect our homeland for sake of inheritance for our future generation. As citizens of Indonesia, we can take care of Indonesian natural wealth starting from small things. Come on, starting appreciating the wealth of Indonesian tourists by visiting the archipelago popular tourist object in foreign countries. Thank you. Bye bye.